Is it the right time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? Let's find out in this video as we dive deep into the company's performance. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We'll keep you informed about any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 1, 2023, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate with a score of 4.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 65.02% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 57 days ago. In other words, that's an average return of 1.14% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at $166.38, which could be an opportunity for further gains. According to fan theory, $182.93 may act as a resistance level that could be challenging to break on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 61.29% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 35.54% and 50.51%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 49.06% change over the next year, with a potential return between minus 10.97% and 35.7%. This implies a price range of $158.74 to $241.95 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices brings exciting news: a very strong day for Advanced Micro Devices stock price on Wednesday. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the Advanced Micro Devices stock price showed impressive growth, gaining 5.86%. It rose from $168.42 to $178.29. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $170.58 and a high of $180.58, demonstrating a 5.87% change. This positive trend has been consistent, with the price rising in 6 out of the last 10 days and increasing by 19.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also saw an increase, indicating strong market interest. In fact, 48 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 124 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $22.16 billion. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $180.58 and its lowest at $72.03. Currently, the price is 1.27% or $2.29 below the 52-week high. It's worth noting that $180.58 is not only the highest price in the past year but also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. In recent reports, New Street upgraded AMD with a buy grade. UBS, on the other hand, gave AMD an underperform grade with a hold action. Wedbush also gave AMD a buy grade but with a hold action. Goldman Sachs recently gave AMD a buy grade with a hold action. And Raymond James gave AMD a strong buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Advanced Micro Devices stock a general rating of neutral. They believe the PE ratio indicates a buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also recommended as a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Advanced Micro Devices. Let's start with the chart analysis. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows mostly positive signals. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $167.24 and $143.88. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 31.75%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. This is a good technical signal. Moreover, the volume is rising along with the price, which further supports a positive outlook. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It gave a buy signal recently. Another signal to consider is the pivots indicator, which also gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator showed a buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the short-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 55 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average on this chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for advanced micro devices. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has found support from accumulated volume at $174.23. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when it's being tested. However, it's important to note that AMD is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The stock can experience significant movements throughout the day, as indicated by the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, in the last day alone, AMD had a price range of $10.01, representing a 5.87% difference between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.9%. Today, we'll be discussing the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, but before we dive in, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Now, Advanced Micro Devices has an exceptionally high P/E ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies, especially those with significant market potential, to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.770. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant hurdle from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a case, you can consider entering a position and use volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $174.23. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. The average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analysts is currently neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 15, 2024, Smith Darla M purchased 472 shares of common stock. On the same day, Smith Darla M sold 189 shares of common stock. Smith Darla M also sold 472 shares of restricted stock units. Additionally, Huin Jack M purchased 1,772 shares of common stock. Huin Jack M also sold 483 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -3.291. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,448,440 shares and sold 1,508,636 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we'll be discussing an interesting stock recommendation with a recommended stop-loss set at $172.44, which is a decrease of 3.28%. Before we dive into the details, it's important to note that this particular stock experiences high daily movements, which inherently comes with a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, which is a technical indicator used to measure momentum, is currently at 86. This high value indicates an even greater level of risk. Despite the risks, there is a buy signal that was generated from a pivot bottom discovered 14 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good investment? Based on short-term signals and the stock's recent trend, it appears that Advanced Micro Devices is poised for further growth. This indicates a potential buying opportunity for investors looking for short-term gains. However, it's important to note that our analysis shows the current price may be overvalued, suggesting caution is warranted. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 25th, we anticipate Advanced Micro Devices to open lower at -$1.81, with an initial trading price of $176.48. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and let us know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.